two liquids of densities 1 gram per centimeter cube and 3 gram per centimeter cube are mixed in equal volumes. A cube of external dimension 20 centimeters has the inner cubical portion of side 10 centimeter whose density is twice than that of the outer portion. If this cube is just floating in the liquid mixture, find the density of the inner portion. If the density of the inner portion is half of this value, what fraction of the volume of the cube will be submerged? Moving at 2 meters per second towards east, at some moment simultaneously, Q starts moving at 4 meters per second. If Q moved first towards A and on reaching A, quickly change direction and move towards east, find the time it takes to catch up with P. If instead Q aimed at a point C east of A, at which it arrives at the same time as P, find the time. What should be the minimum speed of Q to catch up with P? It moves 50 meters from its initial position. A lens L1 produces a twice magnified image of an object on a screen located 90 centimeters from the object. Without disturbing the object and the screen, another lens L2 of equal focal length is placed in contact with L2. This combination is adjusted to produce the image of the object and the screen again. What is the magnification? Rate at which energy is received by a square meter of area facing the sun is 1400 Webers per meter square. Assume that 50% efficiency for conversion of this energy into heat and find the amount of time it takes for the temperature of 10 kilograms of water to rise through 10 degrees Celsius due to the energy received 2 meter into 2 meter area. Assume the surface always faces the sun. How many hours of energy is this equal to? How long would a 40 watts lamp glow if this energy were converted into electrical energy at 25% efficiency? Fission of a nucleus of uranium-235 releases about 250 mega electron volts of energy. If 235 grams of uranium-235 is subjected to fission, find the energy in joules evolved in the process. Find the fraction of the mass of uranium that disappears in the fission process. Waves reaching a point from two different paths from two different sources interfere. If the path lengths differ by integral multiplies of a wavelength, the interference will be constructive, and if the path lengths differ by odd multiplies of half wavelengths, the interference will be destructive. In the given situations, waves travel from A to B along path 1 and 2. If the frequency of the wave is n and the velocity of the wave is v, find A, the least difference between the lengths of the paths 2 and 1, that A produces constructive interference at B. If the velocity along path 1 is v1 and along path 2 is v2, find the least difference between the length of paths 2 and 1 that produces destructive interference at B. Two particles are moving round concentric circular paths of radii r1 and r2 is equal to 3r1 and are closest to each other at a certain moment. The particle on the outer path has slower speed v2 as compared to the inner one, which has a speed v1 into v1 is equal to 2v2. Find the least time interval between their successive appearances at initial positions at the same time. A metal rod R tightly fits into a ring as shown. Will there be any distortion in the ring on heating or cooling? Discuss the possible cases. An open room contains air. Does the air in the room obey Charles' law? It is not as hot at some distance at the side of a flame as the same distance above it. Why is this so? The bob of a simple pendulum is made of a metal. If a wooden bob replaces the metallic bob, how do the time periods of oscillations be compared? A metallic vessel is placed on a non-conducting stand. The inner and outer surfaces of the vessels are connected to two gold leaf electroscopes A and B respectively. A charged sphere suspended by a non-conducting string is slowly lowered into the vessel. How do the leaves of the electroscopes A and B behave? How will the behavior change if the sphere makes contact with the inner surface of the vessel? A particle starts from rest and accelerates along a straight line at A1 for some time and then at A2 for an equal covering a distance d1. If the acceleration for the first interval were A2 and for the second A1, the distance travelled is d2. How do the distances d1 and d2 be compared? Support your answer qualitatively or quantitatively. A thin bar magnet of magnetic moment m is bent to form an arc of a circle, making an angle theta radians. Find its new magnetic moment.